Faisalabad, formerly known as Lailpur, the Manchester of Pakistan, and the city of eight bazaars. The city having third largest population in the country. This is the historic clock tower, locally known as Ghantaghar. You can see the close-up views and scenes of the beautiful and historical clock tower. The building was made by Gulab Khan in 1897. The city is known as Manchester of Pakistan due to the large industrial area and textile industry, the largest textile industry of Pakistan. These are close-up and beautiful scenes of the building. You can enjoy the heritage, rich heritage. These are the 8 bazaars around this clock tower. The map of the city was taken from the flag, British flag. You can see the British flag design on earth in Faisalabad, the Lailpur city. The 8 bazaar. There is thickly and densely populated and traffic areas, the largest city of textile industry of Pakistan. You can see these 8 bazaars, namely Jang Bazaar, Montgomery Bazaar, Rail Bazaar, in the shape Karkhana Bazaar, 8 bazaars. Kachehri Bazaar, Chinyot Bazaar, Amipur Bazaar, and Bhavana Bazaar. You can see the beautiful and elegant buildings, and here you can buy and watch everything from these bazaars. This is the Gumti outside the Kesri gate of Rail Bazaar, and this is also the circular road. Gumti was built in 1897 when Malka Victoria came to visit the Lailpur city. And this is the internal view of the Gumti. The city government should look after this. These Gumti are the beautiful internal view scenes. The city government should look after this building. The building was made when the Malka Victoria came to the city, and you can see here the circular road. Heavy traffic around this Gumti and these bazaars. And this road goes to the Lariada, and this is the way to Kacheri Bazaar and Chinyot Bazaar etc. This is Kesri Gate. Kesri Gate was built an entrance to the 8 bazaars for Victoria Queen. This is outside the Rail Bazaar, rich in heritage and culture. The 8 bazaars are rich in heritage. This is also built in 1897. This is culture of Faisalabad. The Rail Bazaar internal view. A large number of motorcycles have been parked, and beautiful and elegant plazas and buildings have been built. and some buildings are being built. These are elegant plazas. Mostly jewelers shop are present in this bazaar. Jewelry bazaar, Gold Lab. This is Jame Masjid Ibrahim, situated in Gold Bazaar of Rail Bazaar. In the process of rebuilding. There are some prize bond dealers and clothes shops, ladies and gents clothes. You can buy everything from these bazaars. These are goldsmith shops. The city government should arrange these parking of motorcycles outside the bazaar. A large number of plazas have been built in these days. This is beautiful building. And this is Gold Bazaar of the Rail Bazaar. And from here you can see the clock tower. You can watch and see the clock tower from every bazaar of the city. A large number of citizens visit these bazaars every day round the clock. You can buy and purchase every sort of things from these 8 bazaars. These are dry fruit shops. And this is the internal view of Kesri Gate. And these are ladies suits shops. नाजरीन हमें उम्मीद है आपको हमारी ये वीडियो यकीनन पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए और अपने कमेंट्स दीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।